Hi guys, I'm back again with another PSA. This week's is on communication online as well as online relationships. So communication online can look very different as it takes many shapes and forms. Some examples of online communication are group chats, private chats, direct messages, and emails. Online communication can form online relationships, which some are very positive and very helpful to situations, while others can be risky. Having good online relationships with like coworkers when emailing or working on a project as a team or a group is very efficient and a very positive relationship. But there are relationships online that are dangerous, as like when a stranger DMs somebody, especially if they're minors, or if you enter anonymous group chats where situations aren't always manageable, and to where you can be like, okay, this person sent me this, but I'm a minor, and so then you get into gray areas when it comes into online chats. So hopefully this PSA gave you some insights to online communication and relationships.